Welcome to Education Hub for Kids. A is for apple. A is for ant. B is for bat. B is for ball. C is for cat. C is for cup. D is for dog. D is for dots. E is for elephant. E is for eggs. F is for fish. F is for frog. G